to measure the salinity and see if there is any salt content in the water in the flood. You're gonna take your refractometer and your pipette, which is an eyedropper. You're gonna stick your pipette into the flood below the surface and squeeze so that you can draw some water in. And then you're going to flip open the lens on the refractometer and drop some of that water onto the tip, close the lens again, and then look through the eyepiece. When you look through the eyepiece, you should see a little gauge, and you're gonna look on the right side for parts per thousand salinity. It should be a number somewhere between 0 and 30. 30 being salty bay water and 0 being fresh water. So look for where the dark blue line and the light blue line meet and record that number again between 0 and 30. You also want to take a picture, if you can, with your phone of the reading that the refractometer is getting, and you want to make sure that there is enough light coming through here so that you can see the actual reading in the eyepiece. When you're done, clean off the refractometer.